Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the brush tool. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video is brought to you by softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now to locate the brush tool, we'll go here to the left to the tool panel and then select the one that looks like a little paintbrush. After you've selected that, you'll see we have options on top here, which is to set the size. And then so if we just draw a basic line here, you will see it fills in the fill with a full color and the stroke on the outside. Now if we set this up, let's make it about 0.5. Now if we adjust, you can see it's quite a bit broader than that. Now also thing to keep in mind with this is if your path overlaps another piece of the path, so let's say we're drawing this and then we come right over, then all the intersecting areas will be joined, so it'll become one path. And then also a little tip about this, it's a very nice tool to, if you want to make circles, like quick circles, then you just set it to the size you want it. In my case, I'll make it 1, and then if you just click anywhere, but without dragging your mouse, you'll see it makes nice little circles. So you can easily just adjust colors and then, yeah, carry on. So that is a nice little, I don't want to say pro tip, but a little tip to know. Otherwise, if we just navigate here to our website, so if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. You guys also notice we've got a variety of different softwares we cover, like I mentioned, and also you can isolate your search, so if you want to look for anything specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request a training video and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.